Thank you so much for this opportunity. Hello everyone, wishing a very lovely and cheerful good morning. Firstly, I wish you a very happy National Science Day. Today is our student of our St. Moses family has prepared the science with great. Moses family has prepared the science model with great accuracy and very hard, which is directed by Mrs. Sabha ma'am. So that's why I'm too much curious and excited for seeing their science model. So don't waste our time and let's start from class 6. Hello Manvi.
Hi, my name is Manviti Vai from class 6. Today is my science model presentation on topic aquatic food chain, which is directed by my most respected teacher, Mrs. Savai Risi ma'am, and represented by me, Manviti Vai. You can see my model. Let us know what is aquatic food chain. Aquatic food chain shows how living organisms in water depend on each other for food and energy. The food chain starts with producer like algae and aquatic plants. They make their own food using sunlight. Next comes primary consumer like small fishes. They eat the producers. Then comes secondary consumer like medium-sized fishes and crabs. They eat the small fishes. At the top of the food chain are tertiary consumer like big fishes. They are the top raters in water. This food chain helps to maintain balance in aquatic life. If one part is disturbed, the whole food chain gets affected. So we should keep our water bodies clean and protect aquatic life. Thank you.
Wow, such a nice model. Hello Mukund.
Hello, my name is Mukund Tripathi from class 6. Today's my SST model presentation on science model presentation on topic global warming, which is directed by Mrs. Sabha and represented by me. You can see my science model. So first of all, we know that what is global warming. Global warming is the increase in Earth's surface due to greenhouse gases such as carbon dioxide, methane produced by human activities, primarily burning the fossil fuel and deforestation, etc. Thank you so much.
Nice. Hello Ayush.
Hello, my Faiz Pratap Singh from class 6. Today is my science model presentation on topic free energy water wheel. A free energy water wheel which is directed by Miss Sabha ma'am and represented by me. You can see my model.
Wow, such a nice model.
So first of all, we know that what is free energy water wheel. A free energy water wheel is a device that captures the natural flow or fall on water to create power without using fuel. So free energy water wheel, there are 3 steps of free energy water wheel: harnessing flow, water from a stream, river or gravity fed, so striker, pedal or around the circumference of a wheel, around the what is rotation, the weight and force of the water make the wheel rotate. And the last harnessing flow, energy conversion, the rotating shaft of the turn small DC motor generate with electricity, mechanical movement. Thank you.
Wow. Nice. Hello Udit.
Hello, myself Udit Patel. I study in class 6. Today is my science model presentation on topic day and night, which directed Miss Sama ma'am, represented me Udit Patel. You can see my model. So first of all, we don't know what is day and night. Day and night orbs because the earth rotates on its axis, which take 24 hours to complete one full rotation, as the different rotation parts of the planet, sunlight and darkness to creating of cycle day and night. Thank you.
Wow. Vyansh.
Hello, good morning ma'am. Good morning to all of you. Today is my science project 5 presentation on topic an automatic street light project directed by Ms. Sabha Risi ma'am and represented by me. So you can see my project.
Wow, such a nice model.
So first of all, we know that automatic street light project and automatic street light project uses sensor, typically a light dependent resistor and LDR to detect an ambient light level. Thank you. How it is working model?
You can see how it is work.
You can see how it is work.
Wow. Beautiful. Devansh.
Hi, my name is Devansh Kula from class 6. Today is my science model presentation on topic hydraulic brief, which is directed by Mrs. Sabai Idrisi ma'am and represented by me. You can see my model. So first of all, what is hydraulic?
Wow.
What is hydraulic bridge? A hydraulic bridge is a type of movable bridge that uses can hydraulic system like power pressurized over the structure of novel gases. Thank you. You can how it is working model.
You can see.
You can see.
Awesome. Ruchi.
Hi, my name is Ruchi Tripathi from class 6. Today is my science model presentation on topic photosynthesis and cellular respiration, which is directed by my most respected teacher Mrs. Sabai Idrisi ma'am and represented by me Ruchi Tripathi. You can see my model.
Wow.
First of all, we know that what is a photosynthesis. A photosynthesis is a process by which and to sunlight, water and carbon dioxide to create energy and oxygen in the form of a sugar. The process chlorophyll present in the green part absorb the light energy. The light energy is used to split water into hydrogen and oxygen. Second, cellular respiration. A cellular respiration is a process by which glucose is broken down with the help of energy and oxygen is released along with the production of water and carbon dioxide. Thank you. Thank you to all of you.
Beautiful. Hi Shivam.
Hello Didi, my name is Shivam Kumar from class 6. Today is my science model presentation on topic smoke machine, which is directed by Sabai Idrisi ma'am and represented by me. You can see my model.
Clap करना है.
Outstanding.
It is a mixture of smoke and fog. Smoke can harm planet, animal and bird. Smoke can also harm planet, animal and bird. Thank you.
Beautiful. Yeah.
Hi, my name is Ananya Gupta from class 6. Today is my science model presentation on topic solar system, which is directed by Ms. Sabai Idrisi ma'am and represented by me. You can see my model.
Wow.
First of all, we know that the solar system is made up of the sun and everything that goes around it. The solar system consists of Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, all of you.
Beautiful.
Hello, myself Ajay from class 6. Today my science model presentation on topic of open circuit closed circuit, which is directed by Ms. Sabha ma'am, represented by me. You can see my model. So first
Wow.
of all, if even one open circuit, if even one of the connection current will not flow and open circuit, the closed circuit, thus this circuit is complete. The current will not flow and closed circuit. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Working model.
Nice.
Hello, myself Khushi Rathi from class 6. Today is my science model presentation on topic water cycle, which is directed by my most respected teacher Sabai Idrisi ma'am and represented by me Khushi Rathi. You can see my model.
Wow. Nice.
So first all of we know that what is a water cycle. Water cycle is a process by which water move around the earth. It has many 4 steps: evaporation, condensation, precipitation, collection. Evaporation, the sun heat up water to fall liver into water vapor. Condensation, the water vapor rise cool to fall cloud. Precipitation, when cloud become heavy water down as the or collection, the precipitation back if the ground. Collection, rise land and orbit. Thank you to all of you.
Nice.
खुशी.
Fahad.
Hi Didi, good morning ma'am, good morning all of you. Myself Adli, I am from class 6. Today is my science model presentation on topic water purification, which is directed by my Sabha Gupta ma'am, Sabha Idrisi ma'am and represented by me. You can see my model.
Wow.
Water purification, dirty water pouring into the sand, stone to sand, sand to charcoal, charcoal to cotton, and you see clean water. Thank you. And it is working model. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, all of you.
Mansi.
Hi, myself Mansi Arya from class 6. Today is my science model presentation on topic climate change impact model, which is directed by my more respected teacher Sabai Drishi ma'am and represented by me Mansi Arya. You can see my model. So first of all, what we know that climate change impact model. Climate change impact model help us to see climate effect peoples, animals, humans, etc. Climate change impact model is a tool to understand and prepare for all the climate change effect. Thank you all of you.
Hi, good morning ma'am, good morning to all of you. Myself Sivan Karma from class 6. Today is my science model presentation on topic Chandrayaan 3, which is directed by me Sabai Idrisi ma'am, represented by me. You can see my model. So first of all, what is Chandrayaan 3? Chandrayaan 3 is the third India lunar exploration mission by ISRO, which achieved the first even soft lander. It is a working model. Thank you.
Pragya Vishra from class 6. Today is my science model presentation on topic is day and night. You can see my model, which is directed by Sabat Rishi ma'am, represented by me. Thank you. You can see my model. Thank you.
Hello Didi, myself Abhay from class 6. Today my science model presentation on topic human brain, which directed by Sabai Idrisi ma'am, represented by me. You can see my model. Wow. So first of all, brain is organ or short tissue containing the skull of vertical function as the coordinating center of the body. Thank you.
All of you, myself Sarah Mahajan from class 6. Today is my science model presentation on topic food chain, which is directed by my most respected teacher, Ms. Sabai Drishi ma'am, and represented by me. So first of all, what you know that? What is a food chain? A food chain shows get food, producer, primary consumer, secondary consumer, tertiary consumer, final consumer, decomposer. Thank you.
Good morning ma'am, good morning to all of you. Myself Akash Tiwari from class 6. You can see my science model presentation on topic soil profile. Thank you.
Hi, good morning, ma'am. Today is my science model presentation on topic the layer of atmosphere, which is directed by my most respected ma'am, Miss Sabha ma'am, and represented by me, Aditri Misra from class 6. You can see my model. Wow. So first of all, we know that what is the layer of atmosphere. Air contain atmosphere is like air around us. Atmosphere is the blanket of air. You can see troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere, exosphere. Thank you.
Ma'am. Good morning to all of you.
Good morning.
Myself Simani Misra from class 6. Today is my science model presentation on topic plant cell, which is directed by our most respected teacher, Ms. Sabai Drishi ma'am, and represented by me. You can see my model. So first of all, we know that what is plant cell. A plant cell is the basic structural and functional unit of life. It is main component of a plant cell. Nuclear, nucleolus, ribosome, cell wall, vacuole, smooth ear, cell membrane, endoplasmic reticulum, chloroplast, mitochondria, Golgi apparatus. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you all of you.
Morning, ma'am. Myself Visnestra from class 6. Today is my science model presentation on topic cyclone, which is directed by Miss Sabai Drishi ma'am and represented by me. You can see my model.
Wow.
So first of all, we know that what is cyclone. Cyclone is a large-scale map rotating storm system, low pressure characterized by inward spiraling. Thank you.
Ma'am. Myself Anand from class 6. Today my science model presentation on topic Newton's cradle, which is directed by Miss Sabha and Drishi ma'am, and represented by me Aryan. You can see my model.
Wow.
So first of all, we know that what is Newton's cradle. In classical physics debut, Newton's cradle is a great project topic. You could explore the concept of conservation of momentum and energy transfer. Thank you. How it is work? You can see how it is work. You can see how it is work.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning to all of you. My name is Akanksha Ji from class 6. Today is my science model presentation on topic plant cell, which is directed by Sabha ma'am, represented by Akanksha Chaudhary. You can see my model.
You can see my model. First of all, a plant cell is the basic structural and function unit are all of light is kingdom plant cell. Thank you.